Begin recording.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hold on one sec. Let me hide
Hide others.
that. Hold on one sec.
Safari. Controls. System. Safari. Email. Edit text. Account login.
All right. So this thing right here literally saved my bacon, and I got some bacon right here. USDA grade A bacon. Do you hear that? Do you smell that? Like, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 16 pieces of bacon. Now I'm gonna tell you something. My wife runs a cafe downtown Atlanta, and she sells 3 strips of bacon, literally for about $1,000. Not playing. And so I'm beating my chest because I'm just getting over a sinus infection, which is the reason why we didn't get a video out. And you can hear. Hold on. Oh God, see, it's still bad, but I'm still recording. I got you. But it saved my bacon. Not this bacon. This bacon hasn't been cooked. It hasn't been saved yet. We're going to eat that bacon. It's going to be far less than what my wife charges at her cafe. But I'm cooking this bacon that was saved that particular day. And so here's the story. I am cooking bacon and some toast. And I get a notification. I ignored the notification because I'm cooking bacon and toast. Got to watch the fire and the grease and all that stuff. Got to watch it. Even though you're blind, you got to watch it. So, can't be notifying with the notifications on my phone. Well, Alexa, do I have any notifications?
You don't have any notifications.
I don't have any notifications now, but then I did, right? And so the bacon on my phone, well, not the bacon on my phone, the bacon that was cooking, and the notification that I got, the bacon finally got done. And so I set the bacon down at the table with my wife. True story. I'm going to tell you, all you wives out there, your girlfriends, side chicks, whoever, whenever you're sitting down to the table with your man and he's saying, yep, girl, ooh, all that, he ain't listening to you. What he's hearing is wonk, 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 wonk. Sometimes you put a beat to it, it might be wonk, 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 but that's all they hearing. I'm sorry, I ain't mean to tell on us guys. No, we listening, baby. I'm sorry. It's just, I'm serious. All right, and so while she's talking, I check my phone because, I mean, she's talking, right? It's perfect time for me to check my phone because I'm not listening to what I'm just playing. All right, so I checked my phone, and I said, oh, soap! And you know when the Christians say, oh, soap! You know it's a problem. Good Christian guy like myself, right? And so what the problem was, I had now 5 minutes left to get to this online application for this particular state that we needed to be registered with by 12 noon that day. And I got the notification that we were supposed to be registering, but I was cooking bacon. What did I do? I thought about it. 30 seconds. Boom. What can I do? I got the quick tip right here. So pretend like this particular form right here, this Safari form, was the web application because it was online. I hit one keystroke, baby. One keystroke. It filled out 33 pieces of information. I'm talking about name, business name, telephone number, partnership, LLC, tax ID. It was everything that the state needed in one keystroke. Now, I don't have that particular form up, but to demonstrate, because this works no matter which form you're filling out online, as long as it's accessible. So look in here.
End of that. Account login.
So let's say the login was the form.
Email. Edit text. Blank. Email. Edit text. Blank.
So it
Email.
says email, edit text. Now there's nothing there. It told you it was blank. I'm going to hit this keystroke right here. Command Shift A.
Auto.
Woo!
Email. Angelica 2006. Password.
And then
10 characters. Password. Secure.
the password is there.
Submit button. Stay logged in. Submit button.
I'm going to hit
Submit.
submit,
Please wait.
and I'm logged in. Right?
Link. Skip to main content.
All right, so I'm logged in. I did that on that form. 33 pieces of information. My bacon, woo, good old grade A USDA right here. Bacon was saved, baby. Now listen, this doesn't work on every application. It works on Safari, great. It doesn't work on every form because it may not be completely accessible. But when it works great. And I'm going to tell you, furthermore, in addition to how to make this work pretty much wherever, however, we're going to take a deeper dive into this particular keystroke on Patreon. Listen, for $3.33 per month, $3.33. We're going to give you 52, one per week. Quick tip. Now, I told you I had a sinus infection. Tomorrow's my birthday, March 15th. I know you think I'm recording this today, but no, I'm recording it yesterday, Thursday, March 14th. And I'm losing my voice again. So if you want more quick tips and deeper dives to quick tips like this, I'm about to cough again. So before I do,
Beckham live.
go back
Beckham
over
live.
here
Beckham live.
and let's change the world. Pray for me, because a Christian guy like myself is under the weather. And let's change the world together. Eat good bacon. Eat good bacon. Yep. Wah, 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 wah.
End recording.